All right, today we're going to bring a submersible pump, and we have a couple adapters included with it, including with a rubber washer, so we could make sure that there's no drips or anything. This is an adapter for a water hose. We're going to adapt it in here. If you guys can see that, there's actually an adapter here that you set up, and it could be for any function, even the release mechanism ones. The cord is really long. We'll put how long it is. We're going to set it up. We're going to do a little review here in one of our fish tanks that we have, so you can see how it works underwater and how fast it drains the actual. This is about almost 20 gallons, so 15-gallon tank. We're going to go ahead and take everything out and see how fast it could. This, like I said, is submergible, not the cord. All right, make sure you don't put the cord in there. So let's test it out and see how it works. I made a makeshift adapter because I don't have the right proper settings, but I'm going to set this up, twist it as much as we can, and then we're going to set something up in here so we could drain some of the water to see how fast it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so let's go ahead and do our test and turn it on first. So we're going to turn it on right now, and it turns on. So we're going to go ahead and start throwing it in here slowly. If you guys can see it, let it go all the way under, and you're going to start seeing the water coming in. There goes the water. Look how fast it's going. Woo! That's super fast. Look at the water is draining. That is super strong. So it's working really well, draining off the whole entire water from here. Look how fast it is. And it's going to stop right now because it already hit its limitation. So that was super quick in a matter of seconds. So let me disconnect it. That was super quick. It filled up the whole pond here. It drained the entire, almost the entire 15-gallon. So really quick, super strong, small little device, fits anywhere. You guys can see that. Transferring rate was quick. Very impressed with it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.